Welcome back, everyone. I hope you all are doing great today. And once again, welcome to a brand new video of our ongoing challenge journey. If you are new here, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Press the like button and stay connected because every single day we are sharing real sessions, real execution, and real progress step by step. And if you are serious about learning or you want to follow this journey closely, you can message us directly on WhatsApp. We are always there to guide you, answer your questions, and help you understand how everything works in real time. So today we are starting the new day of the challenge after completing our previous $50 challenge, which was done perfectly. And now we are on day 5 of the new $500 challenge. Yes, today is the 5th day of this journey, and we are moving forward with the same discipline, same structure, and same consistency that we have shown from day 1. Welcome to day 5 of the challenge. And again, before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you have interest in this system or want to understand it deeply, just send a message on WhatsApp. We will guide you step by step. We started this $500 challenge to show you something very simple. Growth is possible with structure, whether it's $50 or $500. The approach matters. Our bot works on different account sizes. It is not about huge capital. It is about discipline, consistency, and proper execution. Our target is clear. From $500 to $2,500, step by step, without rushing, without over-trading. And this is not the first time. We have already completed multiple challenges before. You have seen the results. You have seen consistency. And that is exactly what we are continuing here. Our last challenge started from $50, and we closed at above $300. That journey itself proved how structure and discipline can make a difference. Now I want to ask you something. How is your trading going right now? Are you making profits or facing losses? Are you trading randomly or following a system? Are you learning daily or repeating the same mistakes? Let me know in the comments. I read everything. Now let's talk about the market. Right now, crypto and forex markets are highly unpredictable. Volatility is high, and without proper structure, it becomes difficult to maintain consistency. That is why synthetic indices on Deriv provide a controlled environment, where strategies can be executed with discipline, and our bot is designed to operate within that structure. So today, day 5 of the challenge, we started our session, we analyzed different indices, checked multiple conditions, and at that moment, volatility 10-1 second index was the better option. And again, let me clarify. The analysis you see in front of you is just to show transparency. Our actual system logic works deeper than what is shown. After that, we moved to dbot. Our bot was already loaded. We selected volatility 10-1 second. Stop loss was set to $110. Take profit was set to $220. Stake size was $20.67. After confirming all the settings, we started the bot. And from that moment, everything was automated. No manual interference. No emotional decisions. Only system execution. Now listen carefully. Consistency does not come from guessing. It comes from following a structure again and again. When you remove emotions, you start seeing clarity. And when you follow a system, you start building confidence. Many people fail not because of the market, but because they don't follow discipline. And this is exactly where our system helps. It keeps everything controlled, step by step. You don't need to rush. You don't need to overthink. You just need to follow a structured path. We have repeated this process multiple times, and every challenge has shown the same thing. Consistency comes from discipline, not from luck. If you are serious, if you really want to improve, then start focusing on your approach. Because once your approach changes, your results start changing automatically. This journey is not about one day. It is about building a habit. And when you build that habit, progress becomes natural. Every single day you get better. Every single day you understand more. And slowly you move forward. Now, let me tell you the results. After launching our premium bot, it took just around 16 minutes to reach the take profit target. The bot executed around 130 trades. 116 were wins. 14 were losses, and we secured around $220 profit from the session. You can clearly see everything in the video. This is day 5, and the challenge is progressing exactly as planned. The challenge day 5 is completed. And yes, the journey is still going on. Step by step, with control, with discipline. This is not the first challenge we completed. And it will not be the last. We have done it before. We'll do it again, and we will continue showing everything transparently. This is the power of a structured system. Now what's next? Next step is continuation, growth, and then withdrawals. If you want to understand our system, our bot, and how everything works, you can visit our website, www.alpha@deriv.com. You can message us directly on WhatsApp. We will guide you, explain everything, and help you understand the process clearly. Alpha Deriv Bot is built with one goal, to provide a structured and disciplined approach, so you can follow a system, not emotions. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with others, and stay connected for the next day of the challenge. We are just getting started. See you in the next session.